Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Ivation 1800 Watt Canister Steam Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: sanitize your home using a chemical-free process. Handheld convertible and pressure control switch. 3-stage steam setting. Touch sensor steam activation. Ivation 1800W is a multi-purpose canister steam cleaner that works on multiple surfaces. The 1800W model works flawlessly on clothing, floors, BBQ grills, kitchen, ceramic items, and more. The 1800 watt can store up to 67 ounces of water, heats up within 7 minutes. The Ivation model is a beast as the steam temperature goes beyond 338°F and lasts up to 30 minutes of continuous steam. The term multi-purpose applies to outdoor cleaning and anything that can handle 338°F high temperature. Remove hardened grout, mold, mildew, dust, dirt, germs, grease, allergens, grime, dander, wrinkles from fabric, and more. Monitor the steam pressure from the dedicated meter and has an ETL-listed water tank. Enjoy cleaning tricky spots using 14 pieces of accessories and expansion kit that includes extension tubes, handheld nozzle gun, window squeegee, rotating brush, large floor scrubber, and more. Pros: heats up to temperature quickly. Easy to assemble and operate. High temperature for thorough disinfection. Smooth rolling wheels for easy maneuvering. Removes odors from furniture, upholstery, and other delicate items. Capable of cleaning even old mineral and soap residue. Cons: handle becomes warm during use. Hard to find spare parts.